Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to clean out the goat barn area from where they gave birth because it's getting kind of yucky. Can you unlock it, please?
Sorry.
So we gotta get everybody some fresh hay in here. It's getting kind of yuck. The babies are venturing out because it is a beautiful day.
Yeah,
Hello everyone. Hi.
Well, I did a good job with these babies.
We moved the geese earlier today because they needed to get out of the garden area so we can start planting some things. This is not a permanent solution for them, but they seem to be getting along with everybody just fine, so it works.
Hey, this is Eleanor, and I want to show you a surprise. Come on. Okay, so one of our bunnies had babies. You want to check it out? Gotta get the towel. How did Mama come? Hold on. Hi. Hold on. Coming. See that hole? Yep. That's where the babies are. So yeah. That's where the babies are. So, let's go back.
Sad to see that log pile go, but it's really nice to have the porch cleaned up. So I'm back inside now because I'm still really weak and I'm getting really winded. It's 80 degrees outside, so I'm still just not feeling great after being sick, but I'm gonna start getting my giveaway together. I do giveaways on Instagram every once in a while if I have so many followers, hit a certain number, or if it's a holiday of some sort. So I made a tote bag and I got a sample bag of chaff hay, got some Terra, there's some seed packets, I'm not sure where I put those, some fun stickers, a face mask, so that will be fun. I don't know where they're at. So there's some seeds though that go with this little set, and that starts on Saturday. Tomorrow, I have no idea when this video is getting out, but it'll run for about a week, and then we'll pick a random winner. So that'll be fun. That's right. That's right. Someone is playing with my boots. That's right, girlfriend. You're so silly. Alright, so yesterday I cleaned out the playroom and got all the chicks out of there. That's been long overdue. They are getting bigger and making a huge dusty mess. So I put them out here in the garage until they're ready to go outside. Plus we have to get some quail coops built before we can even do that. But I was just going to show you guys our setup out here. I've got some two sawhorses and 3 storage containers, and I haven't finished the lids for these 2 boxes and for the quail yet, but the baby chicks have a lid like this, and I've had this for a few years and it works great. Love it. So I'm going to make 2 more lids like that. Just zips, ties, and chicken wire. Super simple, but I'm liking this setup a lot better in the garage. And I don't know why I didn't start out here to begin with. Next year, this will be the setup. Love it. Everything's all in one spot. There's no dust in my house. No little bitty fingers trying to stick quail in their mouth. So this will be it from now on. But I just wanted to show you guys that.